Hello, welcome back everyone. Let us start with part number 2, that is bush, which is shown here in the drawing. So we have to draw a circle of 18 mm outer dia, and inside that we have to create a groove such like this, and then a hole of diameter 2. So let me start. Here we have to draw two circles, one of diameter 18 mm and one more circle of diameter 12.7 mm. Click on return, go to protrusion, select both the circles, click on OK. Now go to symmetric and enter the value as 25 mm. Click on finish. Now we have to create a groove on this surface as shown here, that is a 2 mm and 0.5 mm deep. So we have to insert a plane perpendicular to this point or tangential, that is plane should be inserted at a distance of 9 mm from the center. Go to parallel plane, select this plane and now enter the value as 9 mm. Now go to sketch, select the new plane which we have inserted and start drawing a rectangle of 2 mm width. Since length is not given, let us assume the length as 20 mm. So first let us draw a rectangle. And using symmetric axis and symmetry, make all the lines symmetric about vertical and horizontal axis. Now go to smart dimension. The width should be, let us give the length as 20 mm and the width should be 2 mm. Here we have to give a 0.5 mm depth, that is 0.5 mm cutout. Click on return, go to cutout, select the profile, click on OK and to the backward side enter 0.5 and drag it into the circle. Here we have to draw a hole of diameter 2 mm. So go to sketch, select the inner surface and draw a circle of diameter 2 mm and then do the cutout. Once you are done with that, go to material, enter the material for the bush and then go to file, enter the required file properties and then save the file. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.